In this video, I will show you how to start a YouTube channel, monetize your YouTube channel, and grow faster. I'll be explaining everything step by step in the simplest way possible, especially for those who are beginners. For those who are seeing my videos for the first time, my name is Dolapo, and if this interests you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's start with the basics. YouTube monetization is simply the process of earning money through your videos. It could be from adverts, memberships, super chats, or even selling products. But before you start making money on YouTube, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, also called YPP. Now this year, YouTube has some requirements you must meet before you can join YPP. Now let's talk about this. Please do me a quick favor to hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm know that you are enjoying this content and to recommend it to more people who might find it useful. Thank you so much for your support. So in my previous video, I talked about the requirements or what you need to start a YouTube channel. So please watch the video right here. I'll just go straight to the requirement needed for monetizing your YouTube channel. Okay, to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to meet two main criteria. You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hour within the past 12 months. That's within 12 months. If you watch this video till the end, I'll share how you can start making money on your channel even before getting approved by YouTube for monetization. Please stick with me to the end of this video. Now let me break it down for you. For subscribers, you need to have at least 1,000 people who have subscribed to your channel. Think of it like building a community. The more people who subscribe, the more YouTube sees that people are interested in what you're doing. For watch hour, now this part can be confusing for some of you, but do not worry, I'll make it simple. Watch hours are the total time people spend watching your videos. So if you post a 10-minute video, for example, and 10 people watch the entire thing, that is 100 minutes of watch time. You need to gather a total of 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months before YouTube allows you to monetize your channel. This criteria could be quickly or slowly achieved. I have seen channels achieved theirs in few days, 2 months or even less, while it took some over a year too. I achieved mine in less than 2 months. In fact, with 2 videos, I got it just because I posted tutorials that were trending at that time. Whether you achieve yours in a short or long time, the main point is to be focused and be determined to get yours. You may be wondering, how can I meet this requirement? Don't worry, just keep posting valuable content in your niche, stay consistent, and you will get there faster than you think. Alright, once you have hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it's time to set up your Google AdSense account. This is how YouTube pays you. Every time someone watches the ads on your videos, Google AdSense collects the money and sends it to your bank account. Now, this is how to set it up. You will go to your YouTube studio, either on your computer or your mobile phone. You can actually use your mobile phone for this whole process. I used my mobile phone when I started YouTube. So you will need to download it on your phone, search for YouTube Studio from Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you are in, click on monetization in the menu, or you click on "and" depending on what you're seeing. If you're using your mobile phone, when you go to YouTube Studio, you will see "and" by this side, as you can see on the screen. Now, for this particular channel of mine, I have 1,000 plus subscribers and yet to reach the watch hour milestone. On this page, you can always monitor your milestone at any point in time, and once you are there, once you have reached the requirement, you will see a button that says "Start under monetization with AdSense." So you click on it. It's not showing now because I am yet to achieve the 4,000 watch hour. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the AdSense website where you will sign up for a new account if you do not have one, and you fill in your details such as your name, address, your bank information, and this is where your YouTube earnings will go into. Once you submit your information, YouTube will review your application, and in few days, they will send you a notification to let you know if your channel has been approved. Now, listen very carefully.
Attention.
Make sure that your content follows YouTube's community guidelines. Avoid posting anything controversial or harmful. Avoid posting other people's content. Avoid using copyrighted music, and you will have a better chance of getting approved quickly. If at any point in this video you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below this video. Once your AdSense account is set up, you can start running ads on your video. So this is how you will start earning money from the views you get on your channel. So you need to go back to your YouTube studio and click on content to view the previous videos you must have posted, because you need to turn on monetization on them. You know, they were not monetized before. So once your AdSense have been approved or your AdSense account has been set up, you go back there to click on each of the video and you select monetize, or you turn on monetization for each of these videos. So you will have the options for the type of videos you want to have displayed on your videos. You can do skippable ads, you can do non-skippable ads, you can do bumper ads or display ads. I would suggest you start with the skippable ads, since most viewers nowadays are used to just skipping them, so that they won't get frustrated while watching your video. I'm going to share with you additional ways to make money on YouTube before you get monetized. Like I previously mentioned, advertisements are just one way to earn money on YouTube. Okay, you could get monetized before YouTube approves your monetization. Okay, so you could make money through these options through channel memberships. What I mean by channel memberships is you can offer some other content that are available to some of your subscribers in an exchange for a monthly fee. Let's say you want to take some of your subscribers, you want to teach them, or you have some content you don't want to be available for everyone that comes to your channel. So you can charge a monthly fee for that, and those who are interested will pay. Okay, you can sell products using this affiliate marketing strategy. If you are reviewing products, you can add your affiliate links in your description box. Every time someone clicks and buys through your link, you will earn a commission. You can do super chats. If you do live streams, your viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted during your streams. There are several ways you can advertise your product even on your channel before YouTube approves monetization. To wrap things up, growing your channel to meet the monetization requirements might feel like a long journey, but with patience and consistency, you can do it. Here are some quick tips to help you grow. Number 1, post consistently. Whether it is once a week or twice a week, you stick to a particular schedule. Number 2, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and build a community. Number 3, create valuable content. Focus on topics your viewers might want to see. For example, for me, I made this particular video in response to the comments in my last video. Number 4, share your videos and encourage your viewers to share. So if you have started your YouTube channel already, leave a comment below with your channel. Let us all subscribe to each other and grow together. Every small YouTuber watching this video should go to the comment section right now, leave a comment and subscribe to each other's channel. The more we support each other, the faster you can succeed. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's build this community. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy to understand. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.